Okay, guys, I'm at the bar. Serve me some beer now. Here's some beer. Okay. It looks kind of similar to beer, though. Is it champagne? Yes. Okay. Yeah. I'll let you guys know when I finish it all. Ugh. Good beer. Let's see if I can get more of that crap. Okay. Serve me more beer! Okay. Set up the cup. Okay, let me just figure out how. Here! Pour me beer! Or I'll pour it myself. Okay, do that. I don't care. Okay, guys, let me pour it by myself. But somehow I'm gonna have to make you guys watch me do it. Okay, guys, it's time to pour it. First, put your cup of beer thing that you always drink out of right here and pour your beer into your cup. Okay, guys, I just ate. Oh, what gravy. No, let's drink it. Dig it! Ah! Okay, let's start drinking out of this stupid cup. But, we're gonna drink out of this cup. Yeah, that was good beer, guys. We'll come here next time on next video. Bye.